And before we wrap today, we want to share something with you that we refer to as our Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. So what do you got, Bryan?
This one was shared to me by one of our team members. Shout out to Spencer. He does a great job sharing things. And it's a great way to kind of show step by step how to do something. We call these our SOPs, our standard operating procedures. And it kind of gets to be a pain in the ass when you're explaining it and you have to take a screenshot and then upload the screenshot. It's a whole long process. I think this is called, I don't know if it's called Scribe or Scribe How, but scribehow.com is how you get to this. And basically, all you do is you run this little widget like you would on Chrome, like you would a Loom or anything else. You just hit record and then you do your actions and then you hit stop and it'll actually create a little step-by-step that says, first click this button and it'll read. It said subscribe. Click subscribe. Then click this button. Then hit this menu item. And it'll kind of explain it for you and show screenshots. And what's great is you can edit the descriptions. You can embed the final item somewhere. Really pretty simple. Not without its glitches. It's still a little bit glitchy. I stopped recording and I wanted to add a couple more things to it and I wasn't able to do it. So it's not perfect. There is a free version and a paid version. But I was pretty impressed with it. Scribehow.com.
Cool. The one I'm going to share, this is one I've been trying to find ways to make reels easily, or just short form video in general easily. And with TikTok and Instagram and stuff, you can go in and pick a bunch of video clips and it'll attach music to it. And it says it's going to like sync it up, but it looks like shit. Like it's
this is from the guy who's like, it's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it's cool, but it's not dialed in. And so there's a new app that I found that is amazing, where people can go in and they can create templates and they can take a song and then they can set it like show this video for 1.2 seconds and then this photo for 0.6 seconds and this for 1.8 seconds. Like there's people who've gone in and like figured out the timing of all of this stuff, and there's all these templates that are already made. So you just go on there, find the template you want. It'll tell you how long the video is going to be and how many clips or photos you need to add in. And you just drop them in, and now you have these videos that are just straight bangers where the visual and the audio are perfectly synced up, where it just has like a lot of energy, and the transitions are like right on point. It makes you look like a total badass. It makes it look like you spent hours and hours making these short form videos when in reality you spent less than a minute. And that app is called Video Leap. And it's a paid app. They'll give you a trial for like a week and they'll start billing you. But even when you start paying, it's like $3 a month or something. It's so
I think it's like
cheap.
$9 a month.
Is it $9? It's worth it. Whatever.
Or you can pay like $65 a year or $150 for a lifetime.
Yeah, it's friggin' money. Like, go on my Instagram at Kyle Whissel. I've put a few up on there. My trip to Montana, I put a property on there over the weekend. Like, the straight fire. It's so good. So Video Leap. Check that out.
Cool.
All right, guys. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week.
Later, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.